Yo, 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 High Ridge Handyman's in the house. With my boy Sonny. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is a quick video of starting to work on the inside of the man cave. Yeah. All right, it's been a while, but I had to lay down another floor on top of the existing. I was off by about 3/4 of an inch, okay? We're good to go. Got a little space there. I'm going to fill that in. But there's the new floor on top of it to even it out. What I like to do is, if you can see those blue lines, all right, I use that with my chalk line. That's it. You want to mark out both sides, obviously, and then just snap a line and put your screws in. It's nice and solid. Okay, it's looking good. I'm going to start doing some wiring soon. Put some plugs in. We're going to mount some plugs on the wall there. Got to cut some of that foam out, sticking out, clean it up for the sheetrock. Had to caulk a few seams there. But it's going to, once the sheetrock's up, it's going to be a different room. Got to get rid of some of this scrap. I'm going to cut some of the smaller pieces up, throw them in you know where. Yep, the log pile back there for kindling. So we can soon hook this guy up. I'm debating if I go straight through the roof, which is just cutting a hole in the shingles up there, or do I shoot this guy out of the side of the wall and get a wall mount? If any of you guys are experiencing these wood stoves, let me know what you would do. Would you go straight up, or would you go out the wall there? Because I'm going to keep it in that corner pretty much. Kitty corner it a little bit, you know what I mean? This way, when I'm turned this way, let's just see. Picture I'm sitting here watching TV, checking out The View, kid, right? And then boom, the stove will be in the corner. It'll actually kitty corner and face me, so I could check out the flames, cause you know what I mean, when I'm watching the TV. All right, that's it. Just had to do the floor here. All right, finish that up. This is actually the addition part, if you want to call it. This is the old shed part. Okay, see the floor, and then adding another about 8 feet. Adding the addition on that side. And don't forget, subscribe, share, and like the video if you like watching these kinds of things. And definitely stay tuned for the electrical wiring. Got to put a little sub panel in here. I might put it, I'm actually going to put it back here on the wall, put it behind the door. And then I have all my home run feeds coming over here, and we'll go through that. All right, again, subscribe, share, and like, and do me a favor, hit that like button, because if you hit it, these videos supposedly go to more people. The more the merrier. I like to put some videos out if it helps someone. That's what it's all about. And I'm on YouTube all the time learning how to do things. So all the guys out there that shoot their trades and teach us, I appreciate it, you know, I really do. All right, well, stay tuned. More to come on the electrical and sheetrock and things like that. Take care, have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Wait a minute. Yo, Sonny! Where is he? He's not back there. All right, let me see where he is. Is he out there? You know, Sonny's been on the down low lately. Got in trouble chewing on one of my almost 2 of my air lines. I had to replace them. So he was punished for the last couple of videos, if you were wondering, okay? He's up there somewhere. I think he's hiding out in them rocks because he knows I'm upset. Hey, yo, Sonny! Come on, Sonny. You got to make an appearance. Where are you, Sonny? I'm going to find you, kid. Where the hell is he? Oh, there he is. Come on. Let's go. Give me that ball. Man, that thing is beat to shit, cuz. His favorite toy. Ooh, that's his favorite toy. I almost fell. What do you say, Sonny? Soon we'll be doing some work on the inside, and we're going to get you a nice little bed. A nice little sunny bed. All right? All right, cool. Where's your stick? Can you find your stick? Go get the stick, Sonny. There you go. All right, come on. You're smart. All right, go get your ball. Where's your ball? It's right there by the trailer. Go get the ball. Go get it. Get that ball. Come on. Hurry up. Good boy. Come on. So you got the stick. Ooh, you just hit me. You got the stick and the ball. Good job, kid. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, right, Sonny? Hey. All right, good.